Ian. This is the leg one of the Volvo Ocean Race. We're on Donford and we're in the Roaring Forties.
Water, but it's very cold. But it's good. Our boat is in very good speed mode, and I hope we can go back to land a bit early because of the good wind.
First time in the Roaring Forties. How is it, Eric?
Yeah, it's good. It's a bit windy with some waves and some water on the deck. So it's quite okay. But we can use. Wow.
This is why I signed up to be here.
Cape Town, we got less than 1900 miles. You know, it's a really nice breeze, 25-26 knots. Wouldn't want too much more, because then you start to have difficult decisions about sail selection and boat handling. Right now it's good. You just stay on full main and fixed shoot and put Parker on the wheel and hope he keeps it upright.
What's getting you through the end of this watch right now, you see?
Chicken noodle freeze dry. Looking forward to it. It's been quite cold.
The weather's like it's grey and it's cold and it's wet. So it's like being back in Denmark.
I kind of like that.
Is that right, Nikolai? It's like a nice autumn day in Denmark. Oh, this is warm. It's not even cold yet here.
Well, the myth has it that albatrosses are all the lost sailors that become albatrosses, and they follow you around, giving you wisdom and safety. So whenever you're in the Southern Ocean and you're looking at some hard times, if you've got an albatross with you, you know you're in good hands. So every time I see an albatross, I think of our lost sailor Magnus and doing one of these ones, and it makes me smile directly. So we've had a few flying around us in the last couple of days, so hopefully it's Magnus bringing us some good karma and some heavy wind.